Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the tallest building in Jamaica. This is the Rogers building located in Kingston, Jamaica. It's going to be 20 floors when finished. They are currently working on the 18th floor, well, the 19th floor. And it's going to be 20 floors, so it's even going to be higher than what we're looking at now. But it surpassed the Pegasus as the tallest building in Jamaica a few weeks ago. The Pegasus is 17 floors. So this is going to be a residential building. And just look at this picture. Look at those buildings on the left. Those are also residential buildings. The one on the left is the one right before the drone tour Jamaica symbol. That's Genesis 28. That one I think is 8 floors. And the one beside it to the left of that one is Parkhurst 1. And just look at the difference in size of these buildings. You really have to admire the progress that is going on in Jamaica. And I can tell you that the units, this building is going to have between I think it was either 100 or 120 units. That's the Rogers now. And some of the units are sold out. They're going to have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom units. I'm not sure if it's a 2 bedroom or the 3 bedroom units, but one set is completely sold out. So they are selling. And the price is not, well, maybe they're also going to have penthouse apartments. But though the price for these units are reasonable. I think it's like 300 in the 300,000 US region for some of them. I think the 2 bedrooms start at probably 320 and the 3 bedrooms at like 340, 350, which is manageable based on what's going on in Jamaica now. And I mean, these are luxury apartments. You can turn around and rent these out on Airbnb so easy. Now this is a very nice picture of the city of Kingston. You see how developed it is. And as we said, this building is 20 floors. It will finish sometime next year, and it will hold the title as tallest building in Jamaica for a while. The progress that's going on in Jamaica is amazing. We're going to have a building that's 27 floors. They started construction, but it's moving very slow. But nonetheless, it's approved and it's on its way. That one is going to be the ascent. You can actually see the ascent from here when it's built. Now there almost anywhere in New Kingston you are, or anywhere in the city of Kingston, Ligoni, Halfway Tree, Manapa, or maybe not Manapa, you're going to be able to see this building. It's going to be one of the most iconic buildings in Jamaica. But then the ascent it's approved, it's going to be built, 27 floors. And then you have another one in Montego Bay that was recently approved called the Pinnacle. And that building is actually, that project I should say, that development is 4 towers at 28 floors each. So this is now the tallest building in Jamaica, the Rogers. The Ascent will become the tallest building in Jamaica. The Ascent will be finished before the Pinnacle. So at 27 floors it will be the tallest, and then at 28 floors when the Pinnacle is finished it will be the tallest. But there's one more building. It has not been approved yet, but we're just going to mention it. They plan to build a building 34 floors at 77 Knutsford Boulevard. 34 floors. However, that building has not been approved yet, and I'm not even sure if they have submitted the plans for approval yet. But it's in the works. But today we're showing you the tallest building in Jamaica, the Rogers. And recently there were some changes to the building laws. We actually should do a video on it. But some laws were changed so that you can now build these tall buildings on these properties, on this size lot, I should say. And that's why you have so many buildings going up. Now before this one, the 20 South, which you can probably see in this video, was 10 floors. And I think that was there was another one in New Kingston, the Cambridge, which is 10 floors. I think 10 floors was the average, because if you look at these finished buildings, you'll see that those were the average heights. But the Rogers has changed the game. And of course, this building is not cheap to build. It's billions of dollars, but you really have to give credit to the people behind the building, behind the construction, the planning, the financing. I mean, they took a big risk and it has paid off. The contractors are a Chinese company. Look at that crane. Do you know how high up that is on the people working on the top floor? But you have to be impressed with what's going on in Jamaica. I have to say, job well done. And we'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with this building. We're not sure if we can show the finished. There is an image, but it's copyrighted when we look it up. So that's why we haven't shown you the finished picture, because we don't really want to get into any problems. You know, YouTube is very strict with the copyright. But we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on with this building. We'll give you video updates every 2 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. And remember, if there's any building, road, project, any video you want us to make, just leave a comment in the section below. Okay, that's 20 South now, at the extreme left of the video. That one is 10 floors, so this one is like double the size of that one. And there you can see another crane. That is where they're building the residences at Terra Nova. However, that project has stopped. We're going to do a video update on what's going on with that project. But that one was to build a 14-floor building. I'm not sure if there's still what's going on with that project, but it's approved for 14 floors. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Have a good day.